composed of 3 buildings. The home is arranged as a set of simple box-like volumes, each designed in response to its specific location. The 6.0 square foot main house is conceived as a geologic remnant in the landscape. Located on the edge between the field and forest, the 1,577 square foot guest house and 580 square foot writers' studio are nestled more intimately within the wooded environment. A 4th, spiritually focused structure has yet to be built and will be sited further to the south. The architecture is open, with sweeping views of mountain vistas of the Grand Tetons, natural fauna, forests and meadows. Rectilinear in plan, the main house appears to grab surrounding trees as anchors, sinking in the center and pulling upward toward the sky at the corners. Working in concert with the landscape, this dynamic quality is further through the building's charred Shusugiban exterior, tugged and carved to create overhangs and openings. The entrance to the home is located where the structure reaches out over a lowland creek, the relationship revealed by a moment of transparency in the floor. The wood exterior wraps into the interior as light Atlantic cedar, which then dissolves into subtle plaster and floor-to-ceiling glass. Each window frames a view of the prairie and Teton Range beyond. An east-facing fireplace provides a counterpoint to the views, and an intimate courtyard allows southern light to penetrate the center of the home. In addition to the common kitchen, living, and dining spaces, the home includes 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a laundry, and an expansive mudroom for the client's Irish wolfhounds. Wood, steel, bronze, custom-cast white concrete, bleached cedar, and oversized slabs of travertine and onyx define the material palette. Italian limestone is highlighted as floors in the primary bath and is also highlighted for the custom bathtub, which was water jet cut from a single block of limestone to create a striking monolithic and sculptural design element.